Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question which is very tricky one. For those who have already done and solved this question, go and comment your answer. I will give them heart. And in the next step, I will solve this question step by step by using PEMDAS. Here we can see our question is 12 minus parenthesis 12 minus 4 into 2. So according to PEMDAS, first we will solve this parenthesis part. So we will write 12 minus, and in that part there is multiplication and subtraction part or operation. So go for multiplication because we have higher priority than subtraction. 12 minus 4 into 2, which will become 8. Now 12 minus 8, which will be 4. Now this is very simple question. 12 minus 4, that is 8. So here 8 will be the final answer. And if you want more maths question like this, subscribe our channel and go in the description for more maths book. Thanks for watching.